Hi, I'm T. Cooper. I'm a New York City makeup artist, hairstylist, and I'm also co-founder of beauty and grooming business, Metro Look. Today we're going to talk about how to make black skin shiny. A lot of us get dull skin and we refer to that as ashiness. So in order to keep your skin not ashy and nice and supple looking, we use a good old favorite of mine, Vaseline. Vaseline works great at making your skin shiny and giving some sheen to it. So all you need to do is just open it up. Gonna take my model's lovely arm right here so you can see the difference. She's got just a little bit of dull skin here. You just apply it generously, but not too generously because you don't want it to look like a big shiny mess. You just want to give some sheen to the skin and a nice healthy glow. And you spread it all around. And not only is it shiny now, it's also really, really soft. So you see the difference? Now her skin is nice and shiny, it's really, really soft, and it was all done with Vaseline. Nice and simple, you can find it at any drugstore, and it's very inexpensive. I'm T. Cooper, and thank you so much for watching.